Hello, welcome to MoonStone and another edition of Thirsty Thursday. Today I have my lovely assistant with me. We'd like to talk to you about a tea that's good for your cognitive abilities and your memory. So let's get started. All right, everybody. First up is green tea. It's a good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Improves memory and attention. Next up, we have ginkgo. Improves circulation and memory, lessening anxiety and irritability, and improves sleep. Next, we have lemon balm. It's the anti-herb, anti-spasmodic, antiviral, and antidepressant. Improves memory, increases cognitive function, and reduces anxiety. Last but not least, we have ashwagandha. Reduces stress, helps with cognitive support and energy levels. It improves sleep quality and mental awareness. Next, I'd like to talk to you. I'll have my assistant show you some stones.
First, you have my favorite, selenite, for mental clarity, resets frequencies where they're supposed to be vibrating. Helps with reducing stress, which causes a lot of memory lapses. Yellow fluorite. It sharpens the mind. It has a powerful impact on your brain. Enhances your ability to retain and integrate information, and it's great when you're indecisive and can't make a decision. Okay. Sodalite. I forgot. Oh, no, it's a stone of logic, rationality, and efficiency. It's really good for working with groups, and it stimulates thought. Get your sodalite. So use these stones to hold them, rub them, carry them, wear them, and hold them while you drink your tea.
All right, everybody. That's another edition of Thirsty Thursday in the pan. If you need any help, hopefully we can help you. I think we should go have a cup of this tea.
Really?
Anyway, love you. Peace, love, and happiness. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.